Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both accounts exist, and you can sign into each. Open Ubisoft Connect on your PC and sign into your Ubisoft account. Make sure it's the one you use for games. Next, sign into the Xbox account on the Xbox app or on Xbox. So the link step recognizes it. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on either account if it requests. This prevents link failures later and helps the services verify you quickly. You now go into Ubisoft Connect settings and select Account Management, then Linked Accounts. Choose Xbox Live from the provider list. Ubisoft will prompt you to sign into Microsoft if you aren't already. When prompted, review permissions. Ubisoft needs to read your Xbox profile and entitlements so your game progress and purchases sync. Click Accept to authorize. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked, and that you complete the Microsoft sign-in flow in the same browser or app session. Finish by confirming that Xbox appears as linked inside Ubisoft Connect. You should see the Xbox gamer tag listed. Restart the app and check your Ubisoft game library for cross-save and entitlements. If the link fails, unlink from both the Ubisoft and Microsoft account pages, clear the Ubisoft Connect cache, then repeat the linking process. This resolves most token or session issues. If you still have trouble, temporarily disable VPNs or firewall rules, because they often block the authorization handshake.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.